morning friends. General Science Class 8 Chapter 10 Cell and Cell Organelles Part 7 Animal Cell Structure and Functions of Animal Cell. Friends, each and every organism is made up of cell. There are two main types of cell. These are plant cell and animal cell. Friends, in this part we see what is animal cell, structure and functions of animal cell, parts of animal cell and cell organelles in animal cell. Friends, this part is very useful for all the students of class 5 to 12. Friends, this part is also useful for the study of all kinds of competitive exams. Friends, first we see what is animal cell. The fundamental, structural and functional smallest unit of animals is called as animal cell. The smallest unit of which all the animals are made is called as animal cell. All the animals are made up of cell and these cells are very minute. Hence, these cells cannot be seen by naked eyes. Thus, we need microscope to observe them. The cell organelles in animal cell have specific covering around them. The nucleus and other cell organelles in animal cell are seen clearly. Hence, animal cell are called as eukaryotic cell. Friends, cell wall is absent in animal cell. Plasma membrane or cell membrane is the outer covering of animal cell. Cell membrane protects the cell. A dense and granular cytoplasm is present inside the cell membrane and many cell organelles are suspended in the cytoplasm. Cell membrane, cytoplasm and cell organelles are three main parts of animal cell. Animal cell contains many cell organelles like nucleus, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, vacuoles and lysosomes. Nucleus is the main cell organelles of animal cell. It controls all the functions of cell. Nucleus plays important role in cell division and it stores genetic material. Mitochondria produces energy in the cell. This energy is stored in energy-rich compound called as ATP and supplies to the cell as per need of cell. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Endoplasmic reticulum is transport system of cell. Ribosomes on the walls of rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesize proteins in the cell. Lysosomes are sulfide bags of animal cell. When cell becomes old or damaged, lysosome burst and enzyme inside digest the own cell. Vacuole stores waste product in the cell. The number of vacuoles are more in animal cell than plant cells. The size of vacuoles are very smaller in animal cell. Vacuole maintains osmotic pressure in the cell. The new cells are continuously formed in animal cell by cell division with growth of animals. Friends, if you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.